Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 21st to July the 23rd reading. So Sagittarius, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, don't forget to hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time na tayo nagre-release po ng bagong video. And huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-comment kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate. Na kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences. Ayan. Kung hindi nyo naman po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So, Sagis, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. No? So, simulan na natin. Sagittarius, I think meron ka ditong gustong ma-experience. Kind of, you wanted to be treated well. No? You wanted to somehow feel na we are important, no, loved, being taken care of. You are actually wishing for your relationship to sana ito na, no? Sana ito na yung pangmatagalan. Sana ito na yung last, no? For a few numbers of you who's single, most Sagis are actually asking for a single reading, no? So, hahapyawan natin ng konti. I feel like meron ditong, either meron ka ng apple of the eye, no? Medyo may crush ka na. Sabihin natin, meron ka na rin nararamdaman dito, pero you are uncertain about the other person's emotion, diba? Doon naman sa mga may relationship or in a rocky situation, who are in separation, whether it is a physical or energetic separation, I feel like you are wishing for, sabihin naman natin, if not reconciliation, at least, no, well, a few numbers of you are asking for or wishing for reconciliation, but if not, this is more for old time's sake, no, maging civil tayo. I feel like whether it is single or in a relationship, there's uncertainty about their, this is inside of you, the question, no? Are they serious about their relationship? Am I going to have the commitment that I am longing for, wishing for, praying for? No, for a few numbers of you, I'm seeing also you are deeply in love with this person. Two of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, the Five of Swords, and the Nine of Swords. Kasi medyo, kumbaga sa heart rate, no, up and down itong situation ninyo ni person. Sometimes your person is a bit closed off, no, medyo hindi siya responsive sa mga bagay-bagay. Tas ikaw naman itong generous, whether it is material, financial, time, energy, effort, no, you're actually thinking, am I gonna get, no, itong pagmamahal na binibigay ko, masusuklian ba? Sabi nila, kapag nagmahal ka daw, huwag ka daw humanap ng kapalit. Actually, that's true in a way when it comes to other forms of love, di ba? Kung family, no, naman siya, or sometimes friends, it can be applied Yung napaka-minimal nitong pwede nating i-apply siya sa romantic situation kasi practically speaking, kung ibibigay natin yung emotion natin to someone na sasabihin natin magiging karelasyon or karelasyon natin, tapos hindi naman siya nasusuklian, what's the sense of being in a relationship, diba? That's actually practical. Bakit pa ako kukuha ng isang tao, no, na hahatiin ko pa yung attention ko para sa iba tapos hindi ko naman, makukuha. Mas masarap magmahal or masarap pumasok sa isang relationship na reciprocative, no? The Two of Pentacles, that, yeah, clarified by the Sun and the Princess of Cups. So probably either you're checking, um, if not investigating, probably you're just asking question, meron bang iba? No, may kahati ba ako sa puso ni person? Kasi sometimes nga, the person is closed off with the Eight of Swords, clarified by the Two of Wands, and the Strength card. So, ang nakaka-stress dito kasi parang ayaw magpahuli, no? Magpabasa nito ni person because of, I think that this is intentional. Sabihin natin there might be some mind games in here, diba? Kasi parang nai-stress ka, parang feeling mo na paglalaroan yung isip natin, no? Kasi minsan super generous din naman. Pero most of the times, closed off. So kapag magkasama kayo, focused. Si person, kapag nagkahiwalay na, ayun, medyo hindi mo na alam kung nasaan siya. With the Four of Swords, okay, the Two of Cups. Sorry, I explain ko ba't bigla ako natawa. With the Four of Cups, the Justice, and the Eight of Wands. Now, here's the reason bakit ako medyo natawa. Not because of your situation, but because of how the person was built, no? You might be dealing with someone who's not emotionally attached with their feelings, but it doesn't mean that they do not love you. There you go. In fact, para kang nagmahal ng somehow parang rebulto, no? Why? Kasi itong taong to is not giving so much of, for him, emotions are drama. For him, giving into the emotion is waste of time, probably. These person might have a valid reason, of course. We should not invalidate the person's take when it comes to life. Dahil hindi naman yan tatagal sa mundong to, no? Kung hindi rin naman tama ang kanyang ginagawa. Pero what I am seeing in here, siguro the right word na pwede kong i-describe to is tamad mag-engage sa kanyang feelings at tamad siyang either magsalita, no? Ipakita yung emotion. So, I feel like ikaw itong magda-drive ng connection. So, the experience, no, that you wanted to achieve, should be created, worked, no, by you. May emotion naman dito. Hindi siya, it doesn't mean na porket hindi mo nakukuha yung gusto mong balik, di ba? It doesn't mean that the other person doesn't love you. Again, merong love. Hindi siya ganun ka-expressive. Hindi rin to pala sabi ng I love you. Kaya minsan na feel mo dito, ay wala akong halaga. Alright. with the Four of Pentacles and the Empress. Um, Maski yata papuri, hindi to nagpapapuri. That's actually true because of the Four of Pentacles. No, hindi naman siya self-centered. Um, you know, this is what amazes me with this 3D. No, um, different people, different pagkatao, even though we are, let's say, pinanganak sa zodiac na ganito, di ba? There are still exceptions. Kaya nga tinawag tayong individual. So, which means nag-iisa ka lang, no? That's your blueprint. That's your mark. That's why it makes you unique. Ang uniqueness nitong taong to is tuon. Siguro yun yung pwede kong masabi. I'm sorry. Katulad ng puno, di ba? Ang puno, it doesn't mean wala siyang buhay. It doesn't mean na hindi siya nakakapagbigay ng benefit. Actually, madaming benefit ang puno. Pero don't expect for the puno to para gumalaw, 'di ba? Nandun lang siya sa isang tabi. Basta alam mo, kung alam mo, parang sa kanya, alam mo mahal kita. Sapat na 'yun. Um, actually, somehow nagsasalita naman siya. Hindi lang ganon kagarbo, katulad ng, hindi lang siguro ito poetic, no? Hindi lang siya mabulaklak magsalita. Parang pag tinanong mo, sasagot lang, mahal mo ko? Oo. Bakit? Kasi mahal kita. Ganun lang. I'm not seeing third party naman. I'm not seeing anything that you should be worried. I think that our either response or understanding of our person's reaction hurts us. I mean, sorry for being in your face, no? I'm not saying na also mali itong iyong interpretation. If you're just looking for a third party situation, no, you're not in a hindi kanya nilagay sa third party situation, pero hindi lang talaga siya katulad mong magmahal. How can I end this? How can I justify the person's emotion if their emotion, actions and words doesn't match? So para kang nanonood ng horror and then love story. I don't know, meron bang ganon? Meron yata, pero yung parang in contrast, no? Kaya nandun ka sa confusion, na kung ano ba talaga yung feelings ng person. Let's see here. This could be your emotion or a message that you want to tell your person, or this is your person's emotion that wanted to tell you. I've been in a fight. I've been fighting a battle I can't win. I believe that this is you because you're pulling a person's emotion towards you, and it felt like the more that you pull, the more that your person is closed off. My love for you is stronger than ever. Um, yeah, I believe that's true when it comes to you. But like what I mentioned, their feelings might not be the same, or their actions may be not on the same level as you, but it doesn't mean that they do not have emotions or they do not love you. Um, will it gonna be practice? I believe in time though, pero yung ating perception na hindi tayo mahal, siguro dun tayo medyo sumablay. Um, Kasi masarap talaga din kapag yung ibinibigay mo na ibabalik din naman, 'di ba? Eh kaso, ayun siya. Hindi naman natin pwedeng baguhin ang kanyang individuality or uniqueness, no? Dahil hindi na siya yun. Baka kapag nagbago siya, hindi rin siya yung taong minahal mo, 'di ba? Um, it's actually hard for me to explain, but I know that you can get it. Um, Pwede tayo mag-usap dito 2 hours, 1 hour, no? Um, but I believe that you catch the drift, no? So, Sagittarius, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This might be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Um, Taurus, Leo, Libra, Pisces, Scorpio, Sagittarius, mga kapwa Sagittarius ito. Ayan tayo, mahirap kapag kapwa Sagittarius or kapwa fire signs natin, which is Aries and Leo, no? Um, I'm also seeing Cancer, yeah, yeah, Leo nandiyan na nga, ang ano ng Leo, Sagittarius, napaka ano din niya, Virgo, yan, and Capricorn. So yan. So this is your reading, Sagittarius. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Sagis, kung gusto nyo sumali sa live session, sa kabilang channel po yun, no? Babaylan TV. Kung hindi nyo naman siya maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box, nandun po yung aking link ng website. You can click that link. You're gonna be routed to my website, dun lang ako magta-transact. Now, there's question form, no? Nandun din po yung mga sabihin natin ditong mode of payment, how much per question, the number, the QR code, no? I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. Plus, kung gusto niyo pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, nandun din po yan, no, sa ating description box. So, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt, no? Isa na lang, nagapi na natin yung isang fake account. So, if you want to help and want to win a private reading, please report, no, the fake account and send that to the email na nandun po sa description box. So, thank you so much. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.